Okay, so recaulking a tub is one of those things that you absolutely should do when you see mildew and mold, because it's one of those things that if you don't do it and water keeps getting back behind the tile, if you have a tile bathroom like this, it's going to cause major problems. On this particular tub right here, there was an issue with the tile at the bottom that I actually had to replace some of the tile. And you can see that it's pretty well caulked right now. But in the corners going up, this is an area where you absolutely have to make sure that that's caulking, not grout, because you're in the shower, in particular the side where the shower head is, you want to make sure that that is caulked properly. Now I'm using a product called Clean Seal, and it's a company that is out of Denver. They make a bunch of really good caulking, and their whole thing is that it has an enzyme in it, so mold and mildew won't grow, and it comes in white, almond, clear. I'm using a squeeze tube, and it's really easy to tool and use with your finger. And the biggest thing is you want to make sure that you're scraping out the old caulking, cleaning it up as best you can. Then make sure that you wipe that down, maybe with a damp paper towel, just to get any residue off of there. And then go ahead and squeeze the caulking in place, and then use your finger to tool it smooth. And kind of step back a little bit, don't over tool it because it can look a little messy. But you want a really good caulk job. You want to make sure that it's clean before you put it down. And good caulking in a shower and a tub is going to ensure that you don't have any problems long term, and it looks nice.